Peeps, we back. It is 5:59. We back again. Stop this bloody thing from... Don't leave me, girl. Don't leave me, girl.
That's our tolerance.
Back in.
Yeah, it's even more. Sometimes it's 100th of a millimetre.
Yeah, right. Surely heat plays some sort of.
This is where, you know, when you got the experience, your micrometer, you don't pick
Must be the owners there.
and hold it because it can distort it.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So we actually put it on the I put my hand on it, and then I put it on, hold it, just like that, see? I go like this.
Do 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 do. Yeah, man. Wow, I need a gimbal. I gotta keep changing the angle manually.
She's alright.
Hey, maybe I should walk up to work with this thing.
So it is a South African detail.
Or if you put me in insurance.
You just write on mark.
And people say, where are you going that day? How could you afford this like that?
Do you post online?
Yeah,
What's your channel? YouTube?
yeah, YouTube. Freedom for Australia, one word. Here it is here on my back. Just go to car shows and shit. Fuck with the cops sometimes. Hate those cunts.
Yeah, I thought I saw it.
Ah, yeah, I've seen this one. I remember that thing right there. Stop playing with me.
After you let somebody at the box already was talking about. And I'm sure sorry for his job. Yeah, well, said it would be off early street like for an hour in the morning.
The peeps in their house.
Oh yeah, the wheel fell off a while ago, but aside from that,
You can't get a full shot of this, but it's okay. It's okay. We got a big mob of these pulling in. Oh, look at that daddy thing. Ooh. Let's follow these boys. Stop playing with me. Hey mate. Nice, eh? All these cars. Let me get out of the way. Bop bop. I need to go up here to where these dirty things are. You nerds.
But just a beanie, is that what you're after? I think I'd actually put it through here. While I wait for that.
Look at the dog. I come back. I come back. Let's go with this dirty green thing that's pulling up. Where is it? Where's this dirty green thing? I'm in for the rest. Except for this dirty yellow thing here. Look at this pimp thing. But we need to get the shots of the boss thing over here. Stop playing with me. You can keep going to me pretty much. Oh shit.
I felt like the odd one out in the bloody group there.
Oh, it was nice timing though. VH, VL.
Yeah, we had this VH behind me.
Oh, that was behind you as well.